Do you ever feel like your money just disappears every month? Setting clear financial goals is the first step to taking control of your money and building the life you want. Hello viewers, what they'll learn. 1. Why financial goals matter. 2. Types of financial goals: short, medium, long-term. 3. How to set smart financial goals. 4. Step-by-step guide to start achieving them. Section 1. Why financial goals matter. Explanation. Goals give your money a purpose. Without goals, people often overspend or waste opportunity. Helps track progress and stay motivated. Imagine two people earning the same $3,000 a month. One spends randomly, the other saves $500 for a goal. Who will achieve more in 5 years? Clearly, the one with goals. Engagement. Ask viewers, what is the one thing you really want to save or buy this year? Section 2. Types of financial goals. 1. Short-term goals, less than 1 year. Examples: pay off a credit card, buy a laptop, emergency fund. 2. Medium-term goals. 1 to 5 years. Examples: save for a car, home renovation, vacation. 3. Long-term goals. 5+ years. Examples: retirement, buying a house, kids' education. Tip: break long-term goals into smaller achievable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Section 3. The SMART Goal Framework. SMART goals: S. Specific, clear and detailed. Goal: bad, save money. Good, save $5,000 for a car by Deck 2026. Immeasurable, track your progress. Achievable, set realistic goals. Relevant, align goals with your life priorities. Time bound, set a clear deadline. Example: I want to save $200 per month for 12 months to reach a $2,400 emergency fund by next year. Action tip: encourage viewers to write down one short-term and one long-term SMART goal today. Section 4. Prioritizing your goals. 5 minutes. Explanation. Not all goals are equal. Use a priority list. Urgent versus important. Focus on high-impact goals first.
Example: urgent, pay off credit card to avoid interest. Important, save for a vacation next year. Practical tip: create a visual chart of goals by priority, short-term at top, long-term below. Section 5. Creating an action plan, step by step. 1. List all financial goals. 2. Break them into monthly or weekly tasks. 3. Allocate specific money amounts per goal. 4. Track progress regularly. App, spreadsheet, or notebook. 5. Adjust goals as life changes. Example: goal: $1,200 vacation in 12 months. Save $100 per month automatically from checking to savings account. Section 6. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Point 1. Setting unrealistic goals leads to frustration. 2. Not tracking progress lose motivation. 3. Ignoring emergencies gives unexpected events ruin plans. 4. Forgetting to celebrate small wins motivation drops. Tip: celebrate each milestone. It keeps you motivated. Section 7. Recap and action steps. Recap: financial goals give your money direction. Types: short, medium, long-term. SMART framework equals powerful tool. Action plan makes goals achievable. Action steps for viewers. 1. Write down one short-term and one long-term SMART goal. 2. Break the goals into monthly saving, investing steps. 3. Track your progress weekly. Comment below your financial goal and the first step you'll take today. In the next episode, we'll dive into understanding your income and how to maximize it to reach these goals faster.